Amidst the tropical swamp forests and rivers of Borneo, lives a unique primate found only in Indonesia, the proboscis monkey. With its distinctive long nose, the proboscis monkey is not only iconic, but also crucial to the balance of the ecosystem. They are skilled swimmers, explore mangrove forests, and live in groups along riverbanks. Proboscis monkeys are adept swimmers. They are often seen leaping from trees into rivers, then diving swiftly. Living in groups, these animals spend their time in the mangroves and swamps that make up their natural habitat. Unfortunately, the proboscis monkey population continues to decline due to the loss of mangrove forests and swamps in Borneo. Habitat loss makes it increasingly difficult for them to survive. This is where conservation is crucial. Through Ecolodges Indonesia, specifically Rimba Orangutan, we are committed to providing sustainable tourism that not only provides an engaging experience for visitors, but also supports the protection of wildlife and their habitats. Proboscis monkeys are part of Indonesia's invaluable natural resources. Let's protect our forests and protect wildlife, so that future generations can still witness the beauty of proboscis monkeys in the wild.